Hey YouTube, we're going to do Disco Man. It's going to be a short kind of video because it's just a jam. It's just a groove or a vamp. Meaning it just plays over the same groove for the whole song. There's no different guitar sections. So this is the guitar part, playing B minor 7, and then we're playing, after that we play a C sharp minor 7, and it just goes between those two chords. And I'm not using a pick because I don't hear any, kind of what they call syncopation or chunking or, scratching of the guitar strings. It's just very clean. So if you use a pick, you'll get more of that kind of percussion sound. If you just use your fingers, you'll get less of it. Okay, but I am playing a syncopated part, so that means my strumming hand is going on the whole time. Just that you don't hear as much of the scratching without a pick. This is the beat. And you go did it. You get that by pressing and releasing the pressure on the strings. Okay, so when you want to hear it, you release. Let me try to play it slow. So all that's being done with your fret hand. Okay, that's how you play that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.